Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I'm planning for January 21st through the 27th in my classic size happy planner. This is the Jujube / Full Hearts layout, and I love all of the space in this horizontal planner. I'm using a kit from Libbie & Co. I believe I've had this for maybe just a year. I just hoard these kits. I don't know why. But it is a ski themed kit, and it is just chock full of goodies. I love all of the stuff that's included in the Libbie & Co. kits. I will link her shop down below. I picked this kit because the pinks will match the abstract circles in the center of my page, and because it's kind of cold here where I am, which is not the norm. It's usually cool, not cold, but with the wind chill and everything, it's been pretty chilly. I pulled out washi that had gold in it just in case, but I actually don't end up using the washi that I pulled out. And here are the pins that I'm using. To write on the stickers, you need the Sharpie, but to write on the pages, I'm using my flares. If you'd like to see an after the pin spread, just check me out on Instagram. I will link that down below. I also found this really cool sticker that matches the kit perfectly from the Bright and Bold sticker pad. I put this together the other day and punched through my sticker pads because I felt like it would be more functional and would help me to go ahead and access my stickers a lot quicker. So we're going to speed this up. I'm taking the pages out of the book and we can zoom in so that we can get a closer look at this plan with me. The first thing I decided to do is go ahead and lay down the bottom washi. Now this kit is sized for an Erin Condren vertical, but I do believe they offer them in happy planner sizes, so I'll make sure to link her down below. I also decided to use the deco for this kit to kind of take away from all of that pink in the center. I will say that that is probably my only gripe about this planner because every week there is just kind of a bold color in the middle, and I'm worried that some weeks I won't have something that will match them, or I will want to use something differently, and maybe it will deter me from actually using my planner. So I think I might cut down some adhesive strips to use in the center, like some adhesive paper. I don't know. Let me know what you use to cover up the center of your planner if you have colors like that. So I did put down the date covers and date dots, and I just went ahead and skipped through that because, I mean, they're all there. And then I use this Kindness Always sticker to cover in that leaf pattern at the bottom and kind of as an anchor for my page. I was going to use this checklist, but I decided to go ahead and use the dinners sticker because I think that this would be a great place to actually track the dinner. I'm having to figure out how to kind of have my own sidebar, like I come from using the Erin Condren where there was like a sidebar where I could put, the standard stickers like dinners and habit trackers and everything. So I'm trying to figure out how to make it work on this horizontal, and I actually like how it kind of laid out this week. So I go ahead and put the to-do list on a different day, on a Saturday, to kind of gather all of the things that will need to be done during the weekend. And then I pull out these habit trackers to go ahead and track 2 things for the week, which is what I normally do. So this week I'm tracking closing all 3 rings on my Apple Watch, which includes steps, standing, and 30 minutes of exercise a day, which just monitors like how high your heart rate goes. And I'm also tracking skincare to make sure that I'm not only just washing my face, but also using eye cream and moisturizer and all of that good stuff to keep my skin looking youthful. So on Monday, we have the day off, and I am marking that here with this half box, a bow, and of course a cup of coffee because That's the kind of Monday we're going to have. It's going to be pretty relaxing. And I'm sorry that I'm just noticing this is a little bit out of frame, but then I'm also noting that it is a trash day on Monday. Our trash guys pick up even on like national holidays, which is kind of weird. They actually don't take off anything, I think, except for like Christmas and maybe New Year's Day, maybe not. But they're usually, it just every Monday comes like clockwork. I'm also noting that I need to meal prep on Monday because we won't be doing it on Sundays, since Sunday is going to be a full relaxing day because we have a 3-day weekend. I pull out a few sticker books because I want to actually add in a quote about dreams, since Monday is the celebration of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day and all that he has accomplished, as well as his birthday, which just recently passed on January 15th. So I know that in this holidays, the memory planning dates and holidays sticker or page, they have a Martin Luther King Jr. Day sticker. So I pulled that out and I want to put that on a half box. So here you'll kind of see how my brain kind of processes things for how I want to lay down stickers. I know I want it to be on a half box that is horizontal, but when I lay it down, I just feel like something's missing. So I put down my half box, and then I also put down the quote, which I find I'm kind of deciding between several quotes. I actually really like this Gold Star sticker quote book because it just has so many different colors and it has so many different quotes that kind of just fit anything. I was going to put down the larger box, but I didn't really like how that looks. And I thought this script that just says hopes and dreams would be the thing that I was looking for. And it was not. So you'll see me kind of mess with it a little bit, move it around. And what I end up doing is actually just putting down a full box to kind of add a little bit of dimension and also to add a little bit of background so that it didn't look like a half box was just kind of floating out of nowhere. And I really like how that turned out with the abstract the abstract full box with the half box and all of the text layered on top. So moving on to the rest of the week, on Tuesday, I am using a half box to note that it is our game night. We are trying to do Tuesday game nights every week so that we have something to look forward to. I'm also noting I'm creating a checklist on Wednesday using this page flag, the to-do script, and a 3 heart checklist, which looks like it kind of lines up perfectly with the lines on my horizontal planner. I also like to kind of just float stickers anywhere. I think that it's okay to go outside of the line here when you are working with your planner because, it's yours and you can set it up however you want, but I think it brings a little extra something to a spread. I'm retwisting my hair on Thursday, so I like that little girl who's sitting like in the beauty chair with her rollers in to note that. I just think that's so cute. I haven't gone to get my hair done professionally in a long time, but this sticker kind of makes me want to look forward to doing that. I also add in the Ski Girl full box because she is super cute and I want to add in some text to this area, and so I picked this just text from the Gold Star quote book that says just make it happen, to encourage myself throughout the week that I can make it happen. I can absolutely get through the week. And I also want to add a to-do list to catch any of the things that I'll need to do as the week progresses. So since I have one on Wednesday, I definitely want to also add one on Thursday because things do tend to pick up towards the middle and end of the week for me. On Friday, I'm noting another payday, and I think I forgot to mention that I also put in a payday on Wednesday. This just happens to be our week of paydays, and it falls almost every other week or 2 weeks for us. And I'm also adding in this movie marquee because I plan on binge watching some television on Friday just to relax. I am planning on watching, what is it called? I think it's The Marvelous Miss Maisel. I started watching it the other day and I had to make myself stop because it's just so funny, and I knew that I would watch the entire 2 seasons if I didn't, get a hold of it. Also on Friday is Pizza Friday, so that's why I put down the quarter box with the utensils, and I wanted to find kind of a Friday sticker, and I pulled that out from the Gold Star Quotes book as well. Here I'm putting down a half box and utensils to also note that I want to meal plan on Saturday, and look for a meal planning video coming soon to kind of show you how we meal plan for a family of 4, which includes 2 picky eating toddlers, or picky eater toddlers, and we also save money in the process. I'm also including on Saturday that I need to wash my makeup brushes. I believe that's what I put that sticker down for. And that I want to order my groceries, which I've been doing from Kroger for the past 2 weeks. And I am in love with that. I just love it. It's so easy and convenient. And as long as I put in good notes, I've been getting good stuff. So I'm going to continue to do that. Saturday will also be our laundry day, and I don't really have to note it here, but I include this cool laundry sticker on a half box to kind of remind myself and maybe encourage myself a little bit to just get the darn laundry done, because that is like one task that I just do not enjoy doing. I also add a small to-do list for Sunday to catch any of the small things that need to get done before the next week. And also on Sunday, we're going to have our February budget planning meeting to fill in our budget planner for February. So this is it. This is the full spread. And here are all of the extras that are left over where I can do a full other spread, and I even forgot to put down my weekend banner, which I might go back and do later. But this is how it looks, and yeah, I actually love it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. All right, bye.